Intermittent fasting seems like a new age Gen Z concept, right? And there is overdose of information about intermittent fasting. Everyone is coming up with their logics and proofs, and you are never really sure whom to believe. Well, I guess you can believe in Ayurveda. Namaste, I am Dr. Vikas Sangotra and welcome to eBlosis, your sanctuary for holistic wellness. So today we are going to talk about intermittent fasting, but not from the trendy modern perspective. We are diving into ancient roots of intermittent fasting in Ayurveda. Ayurveda, which is 5,000-year-old science of a life. So let's explore how this timeless wisdom can guide us toward healthier and more balanced life. So before we go to intermittent fasting and its understanding in Ayurveda, it's very important to know the history. So intermittent fasting has been the part of Ayurveda for the thousands of years. So Upavasa is the term which we understand nowadays as a fasting. So this practice of Upavasa that falls under Langan Karma. So Langan Karma is the sort of actions or a therapies which helps in reduction. So Langan Karma is also known as reduction therapies, and it is aimed at detoxification and healing. So under Langan Karma, under reduction therapies comes Upavasa, and Upavasa is a fasting. And that's what the fasting, whether it's a continuous, whether it's an intermittent, whether we are doing for a short time, whether we are doing for a long time, it all comes under the umbrella of reduction therapy. It all comes under the umbrella of Upavasa. So in Ayurveda, fasting has been just for treating the ill, and not only for treating the ill, but it is also considered very important for maintaining health in the healthy individuals. So it's like you wonder, have you ever fasted during festival, which is very common? And it's not just about spiritual cleansing, it's about rejuvenating your body. But the point is, it needs to be done in the right way. And what is that logic of Ayurveda, with what and with how we understand that the fasting is very, very helpful in these conditions. So let's try to understand the Ayurvedic logic behind intermittent fasting. Let's try to understand how this beautiful science gives so much importance to fasting, and it has wide dimensional multifaceted benefits in the body. So Ayurveda, first of all, defines health beautifully, and it defines health through balance, the definition of a good health. So as it's mentioned in the Vedas, I quote, Sam dosha, sam agni shacha, sam dhatu malkriya, prasanna atme indri mana swastha ite abhidhyate. So this is a shloka which is in Sanskrit, has been mentioned in Ayurveda. So what does it say? What is its meaning? So this means that a healthy individual is the one with balanced state of a doshas, as we have a three doshas in the body, the Vata dosha, Pitta dosha and the Kapha dosha, as well as not only doshas but balance Agni, which is your digestive fire, and very, very important. So is your balanced state of a dhatus, that is tissues, and effective elimination of the waste with clear, happy mind and senses. So this is how beautifully Ayurveda has coined the definition of a healthy body. So you will see, like dosha, if we have a balanced Agni, so we will have a balanced state of a tissue, metabolism, and everything. So the strong Agni is crucial as it governs transformation in the body at three different levels. So let's understand the Jatra Agni, the gut level. It is responsible for digesting food and converting it into essential nutrients. So whatever you are eating, digesting to get that essential nutrients from that food, the Jatra Agni is very, very much responsible. It states the stomach, gut health overall. Another Agni, which is called Dhatu Agni, it is a tissue level Agni. It assists in formation of a bodily tissue such as blood, muscles, bones, and all the 7 tissues in the body. Last comes your Bhuta Agni, which is a third among other Agnis. It is called cellular Agni in Ayurveda, it is called alimental Agni in Ayurveda, and this level of Agni supports metabolism at cellular level. So let's now understand that Agni, which is really very crucial and is the core of a body's function at different levels. So when Agni is balanced, what happens? The body functions optimally. It maintains all the set balances and the aspect of physiology and other functions of a body. But when imbalance of the Agni happens, it leads to the formation of Ama. So Ama is a toxic metabolic waste that disrupt dosha's balance and affect your tissues, affect your Agni, affect cells, how they are functioning, even the mind, the psychological aspect of the body. So it means when I talk about Agni, the balance is a health. The unbalanced Agni is the disease of the body. That's why there is a very strong connection in Ayurveda between Agni and the term called Kayachikitsa. What is a Kayachikitsa? It's a branch of Ayurveda. So Kayachikitsa, this is the branch of Ayurveda which focuses on the diagnosis and the treatment of a physical, mental and emotional diseases. So here, Kaya is a Sanskrit word which means body, and it focuses on the digestive fire and Agni. And Chikitsa is another Sanskrit word which means treatment. The heart of Kayachikitsa is all about balancing Agni as it is essential for healing. So the main goal is to rekindle your Agni, enabling it to transform food, absorb nutrients and eliminate toxic waste efficiently. So this process helps restore balance. What process I'm talking about is the process which helps in restoring Agni, helps in restore balance, preventing diseases and promoting longevity. So now when I talk about fasting, so fasting is a key method under Langan Karma for boosting your Agni. It allows the digestive fire to rest, reset and burn off the toxic Ama. Hence, it helps to restore balance in the body. Let's understand now how Ayurveda understands the benefits of a fasting, and we got to know the idea that fasting is very important because it takes care of our Agni, and Agni is very important because it works at different level and helps in so many ways for the optimum health parameters. So let's talk about the benefits of a fasting. Fasting, as I said, whether it's an intermittent or periodic, is a powerful way to reduce your eating window. This gives your body time to cleanse and restore Agni, the digestive fire. And here are some benefits of a fasting according to Ayurveda. The first and the foremost important is intermittent fasting kindles the Agni. The fasting strengthens your digestive fire, leading to improved digestion and healthier tissue formation. When we talk about fasting, the second important benefit according to Ayurveda is detoxification. So it helps clear toxin from your body by promoting waste excretion, by reducing the extent of Ama in your body. It helps in improved mental clarity. A strong Agni brightens your mind and fosters sattva, which brings mental peace and clarity. It also helps in balanced bodily function by enhancing Agni. The fasting improves your metabolism, digestion, as we talked about, detox processes. While the question is that the intermittent fasting can be effective, but Ayurveda emphasizes that it's not a one-size-fits-all approach, which is very foundational, crucial at this point to understand that the one-size-fits-all approach is never the keystone in Ayurveda. It's especially beneficial for those with kapha imbalance like weight gain or whether you have a slow metabolism. But however, prolonged fasting may aggravate Vata and Pitta body types. Or if you already have a Vata aggravation imbalance, already have a Pitta aggravation and imbalance, so it can potentially lead to weakness, inflammation and so many other important issues in the body. So what Ayurveda gives us understanding? Ayurveda says that before you fast, it is very important to keep following factors in mind. First is, what is your Ayurveda body type? That is Prakriti. Knowing your Prakriti, if you're a Kapha type, it's good, you can go for a fasting for a prolonged time. But if it's a Vata, it's a Pitta, if it's a combination, you have to be very particular to choose fasting and in a right way. We talk about what is current state of a dosha. So that factor is importantly crucial. The Agni status, the age you are in, these are the crucial factor in deciding whether fasting will help you or harm you. So Ayurveda's personalized approach ensures that intermittent fasting optimizes your health without causing any imbalances. So does intermittent fasting work? Of course it works. You just need to know the right way. We will be uploading a detailed video for the same, so it's important you subscribe to eBlosis and follow our social media channels. At eBlosis, we are dedicated to sharing knowledge that harmonize ancient wisdom with modern life. Thanks for watching. I will be seeing you in the next video. Lots of love to all the beautiful souls out there. Namaste.